Meet the Crossover, the waterproof boot for any occasion, coming with a slip-on shoe construction that is easy to put on, and a minimalist design that fits any style, anywhere. It combines the comfort of sneaker with the sturdiness of a boot. Cold, rain, snow, we got them all. But why hemp? Hemp is actually the most sustainable fiber in the world. It absorbs CO2. It doesn't need pesticides. And it needs 5 times less water than cotton. But here's the craziest fact. Hemp is so strong that Henry Ford built an indestructible car with it. Our Chelsea boot is made for the active person, the challenger, the go-to places. And that's why we made it waterproof. The special BioWax coating will repel dust and liquids from coming in, and our super membrane will keep your feet dry no matter what. But we wanted to go the extra mile. We looked for the most experienced boot manufacturers with the best machinery and the most talented people. We teamed up with a small factory in Portugal with decades of experience crafting bootwear. Our outsoles are also made in Portugal using natural rubber, which provides an edge in durability and grip on any terrain. The insoles are made with our proprietary hemp fabric that is not only antibacterial, but super comfy as well. Hemp is a super insulating material, keeping your feet cold in the summer and warm in the winter. We put a great focus in sustainability, and we use almost only natural materials like rubber and hemp. For that reason, the boots are 100% vegan and almost completely biodegradable. The only pair of boots you will ever need. Super comfortable, stylish, and also super easy to clean. Cold, rain, or snow, go anywhere you want and keep your socks dry with a pair of 8,000 Kicks Chelsea boots. For the past 3 years, we have been working on making our hemp fibers stronger, flexible, and more waterproof than ever. Because hemp is the world's most sustainable fiber, we want to show everyone it is possible to create super quality products while also saving the planet. Together, we will make hemp great again as it once was.
So, what are you waiting for? Get your waterproof hemp Chelsea boots right now on Kickstarter for a fraction of the cost and help us make hemp great again.